Hey my youngsters, today I'm making 3 videos, so don't come for me with the outfit. But anyway, today I am going to make a Domino's Philly cheesesteak cast iron pan pizza. Now let's get into it. Okay, so I have here the beef shaved steak, and this is 14 ounces. And I'm just gonna brown this in a skillet and season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I have my oven preheating to 550. You wanna put your oven on the highest temp. Okay, so you want your meat to be well done, no pink, and just season it with salt and pepper and remove from heat. Okay, so you need 1 pizza dough, and this is a pre-rolled Italian pizza dough that I got from Publix. We're gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the cast iron skillet. And this will help the crust to brown. You can use a 10 to 12 inch cast iron skillet for this one pie. Or if you have a smaller one, you can cut the pizza dough in half and make 2, like 2 personal pans. Okay. Okay, you're gonna need white American cheese. And you just place the cheese all over the pie crust. Just like that. Very simple. So once this cheese melts, this will become your base for your sauce. This will be your sauce, your actual sauce. All right, I'm just gonna add some of the steak. You can add as much as you like. It's your own personal pizza, so feel free to add as much as you like. Right, and I sliced thinly some onions. Bell peppers. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle some onion powder across the top, like this. And you top it off with mozzarella cheese, about 8 ounces. I may not use all of it. I'm about to add some mushrooms. And I'm gonna add the rest of the cheese. And it should look like that. I'm gonna place this in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Just check it, make sure your crust is done. You don't want any raw dough in there, so just, it depends on your oven and what your temperature goes up to. But I'm gonna start with 15 minutes. If I need to extend the time, I will. Would y'all look at this baby? Look at this baby. 15 minutes. And it is like bubbling brown sugar. This, oh my goodness. Let's work on the garlic butter sauce for the crust. Okay, so we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna melt that down. All right, we're gonna add a little onion powder. Just a dash. Little white pepper. Little garlic powder. Of my fave, y'all know parsley. Why? Because it makes it cute. And we have to keep everything cute. Give that a mix. We're gonna bring that pie right over. We're gonna brush this on the crust. Woo-wee. Look at that, baby. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Look at it. All right. Let's slice this baby up. Woo! Yeah. All right, enough for now. And now for the taste test. Whew. Look at the crust. Nice and golden. Ooh, look at that. Y'all, it's hot. Now I'm gonna do this just for y'all because I don't even like bell peppers, any kind of peppers, okay? But this is for my youngsters. When I tell y'all, take a bite. When I tell you, when I make this promise to you, and I'm not a liar, I will never buy another Philly cheesesteak pizza from Domino's ever again. Exact same pizza. Anyway, let me get into this. No breakdown description for the taste. No need. Everything you bite into, it's just a bang in your mouth. Ooh. All right, Yumsters. Till the next video. Bye.